how can we extract metals lower down in the activity series? To understand how, we first need to understand a very basic concept. It is easier to obtain metals from their oxides than from their sulfides or carbonates. Yes, just heating is enough to extract the metal from its oxide, which is why the concentrated ore is first converted into the oxide of the metal, and then this oxide is reduced to the metal we can extract. For instance, cinnabar is an ore of mercury. It's a sulfide and not an oxide. When it's heated in the air, it is first converted to mercuric oxide, and then this oxide is reduced to mercury on heating. It's similar with copper sulfide. It is converted to its oxide first, and then the metal is extracted. Look at the first step in each case. This conversion to oxide is done by the process of roasting. It means the ore is heated in the presence of excess air. The process of roasting is generally used for sulfide ores. The metals in the middle of the activity series are moderately reactive, and they are usually present as sulfides or carbonates. As we saw, the sulfide ores are converted into oxides by the process of roasting. On the other hand, carbonate ores are changed into their oxides by a process known as calcination. In calcination, the carbonate ores are changed into their oxides by slow heating in limited air. Roasting is strong heating in the presence of excess air, and calcination is slow heating in the presence of limited air. Both are used to convert the ores to their oxides, but roasting is used for sulfide ores and calcination is used for carbonate ores. Let's understand calcination of zinc carbonate. It is heated in limited air to give an oxide of zinc, and the oxide is then reduced to its metal form by using reducing agents such as carbon. Do you remember we'd looked at oxidation and reduction in our previous lessons? If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. And if a substance loses oxygen in a reaction, it is said to be reduced. So can you tell me what the process of obtaining a metal from the compounds is? Is it oxidation or reduction? Look at the second step in each of the cases we looked at. To get the metal, the oxides are losing oxygen, which means that obtaining metals from their compounds is a reduction process. Do you know how cracked machine parts or railway tracks are joined? We use the thermit method, which we will cover in the next video.